Okay, alright guys, so I'm going to reset the oil change maintenance. Here's what you want to do. So you want to put this on ACC. Oh, and you also want to turn that down so you guys can hear me, right? Alright, so we want to look at the screen right there, and we're going to press the info button. Alright, so I'm going to hold that and watch what's gonna happen to that screen right there. So you actually want to go onto the screen first before you want to hold it. So you don't want to go anywhere else. You don't want to go here, you don't want to go there, or there, or there, or there, or there, or there. You want to be in that screen. Okay, alright guys, so you want to be in that screen and you want to hold this 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, let go, and there you have it. You got the information there. And then to toggle it up and down, you want to use this two button and this button to enter. So I want to go down to the maintenance. There you go. So I'm using this button. There you go, maintenance. And then to press OK, press this button. And there I am there. Oil filter, engine oil. So I want to go ahead and reset that. I've already done that. And so you want to move down all the way to the update by toggling your cursor up and down. You want to go to the update and press this button. Alright, I've already done so I don't have to do that. So I'll just go back. All done. That's how you reset your oil change. Alright guys, so we also want to reset the maintenance schedule. Alright, otherwise if you don't do it, you're gonna have a display on the screen saying need maintenance. So you want to go back to the update and then press OK, and there you are. That's good. That's how you reset it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Peace.